You did?
You're kidding.
Okay. All right, so we are going to use these cups. I need to move this back a little bit.
Don't fall.
I know, right? Okay, so these cups are going to represent our different decables. So, if we had 10, what would this one be?
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, so I'm going to turn over a card. You're going to tell me the number, and you're going to tell me what decade does it go. So when you, if you think it goes on, so first of all, what number is this?
38.
38. So where would it go?
So
10.
10, 20, 30,
So it would go in the,
30.
so you'll just put it right on top of the cup. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so all right, you ready for the next number? Tell me what it is.
39.
Where would that one go? What number is this?
Good morning, Crestwood.
93.
93.
10,
Today is Friday, March
30, 40, 50,
50,
60, 70, 80,
Please stand
90.
for the pledge.
Where would it go? 90. Okay.
I pledge
What's this number?
to the flag
43. Where would it go?
There.
Ooh, how'd you know that one so quickly?
Because there's 30. This is the 30s and this is the 40s.
Okay.
Indivisible, with liberty and
What about this
justice
one?
for all.
What number is that?
29.
Happy
29.
birthday to Lyric Romo. Today's lunch is
Where does that? Where does 29 go?
Right beside the. Yeah. Right beside. But right beside the tens.
This is 10s. This is.
20s.
Why'd you put it in the 20s?
Because 20s comes before the 30s.
Okay. What number is this?
11.
Where'd you put that there?
Because 11 comes before 20s.
How do you know that the 11 is in the 10s?
Because in the ones place it goes 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. What number is this?
66.
Where would that one go?
Right there.
How do you know?
Because, you can count like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, but we don't have any 15.
Is this 15? Is this 12? What was this? What decade was that?
11,
Or decable?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
So 66 is in the 60s? Goes in
Yeah.
the 60s? What about this one?
47.
And where does 47 go?
In the 40s place.
What's this number?
30. 13.
13? Where does 13 go?
In the 30s place.
Goes in the 30s? How do you know?
Because 30s comes before the 40s.
Is this 30?
13.
So does 13 go in the 30s? Where would 13 go?
Go in there.
Why'd you move it?
Because there's a 1 and it goes 11, 12, 13.
So 13 would go in the 10s?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one?
39.
Where would that go?
In the 40s.
What about this one?
59.
Where does that go?
In the 50s. 79.
Where would that go?
Right there. I know.
And why did you put 79 in the 90s?
It's in the 70s.
Why'd you move it?
Because there's a 7 and 6. And I know that the 60s come before the
70s?
70s.
What about this one? What number is it?
88.
88. Where does it go?
There. 14.
What number is this?
41.
41.
Whoops.
Where does it go?
In the 40s.
In the 40s? What's this number?
59. 58.
58. How do you know it's 58?
Because Because it's a 5 and an 8.
A 5 and an 8. What number is this?
99.
Where does it go?
Right there. Oops.
Where does 99 go?
Right there. No. Right there.
Why does it go here?
Because it's a 9 and a 9.
9 and a 9. What number is this?
77.
Where does that go?
Right. 63. 74. This is 70 space.
What number is this?
19. 56. 69. 28.
And how did you figure that one out?
Oh, it's the wrong one.
Why is it the wrong one?
Because it has a 2.
Well, why'd you put it here?
I thought it went in there. It goes in the 20s.
How do you know it goes in the 20s and not the 80s?
It's a 28, and then it's a 2 and an 8, and then
So what would it have had to been to go in the 80s?
an 8 and a 2.
Oh, okay. I see your thinking with that one. Okay, what about this number?
45.
Oops. Where does 45 go?
In the 40s.
Sorry. What number is this?
33.
Where does that go?
Right there.
What family?
30s.
30s. What about this one?
48.
Where does 48 go?
Right there.
In what?
In the 40s, please.
What about this number?
52.
Where does that go?
In the 50s place.
What about this number?
14.
Where does that go?
In the 10s place.
What about this one?
20. 21.
Where does that go?
In the 20s place.
What about this one?
18.
Where does that go?
In the 10s place.
This one?
62.
Where does that go?
In the 6th place.
In the what place?
60s place.
60s? Family?
76. In the 60s.
Read that number to me again.
67.
And in the 60s family, you said?
31.
What family?
30s. 89.
What family?
The 80s. 75.
What family?
The 70s. 72.
The 70s? Where does this one go?
54.
What family?
50s.
What family?
60s.
What number is it?
68.
What number is this?
They're 83.
Where does it go?
In the 80s.
What about this number?
78.
Where does it go?
80s. We haven't got 100. 87.
Where does that go?
In the 80s.
Oh, what do we have here? What number is this?
87.
What number is that? What number is this?
87 and 80s. 80s.
What number is this?
78.
78. So is it 87? Where would 78 go?
In the
What number is this?
98.
Where does 98 go?
In the 90s place.
And what about 96? Oops, what number is that? I almost told you.
96.
96. Where would each of these go? Where would 70 go? What cup stands for 70? What cup is 60? What cup is 100?
Yeah.
What cup is 80? What cup is 20? 30, 50, 40. Oh, where's my other ones? What cup is this one?
The 90s.
And what cup is that one?
The 10s.
The 10s. All right, so
I like that game.
let's take these. Hold on 1 second. We're going to take those cards because we're going to work on something. If you want to take the cups, you can take the cups. Oh, I need these. Yep. Can you collect the cups? All right. So, what number is this?
There.
What number is this?
20.
20. What number comes before 20?
21.
Comes before. That comes after.
19.
How'd you get 19? How'd you get 19?
Because, I was counting in my head, like, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay, what number comes before 30?
49.
49 comes before 30.
Oh, after.
Comes before 30.
So this is before, and this is after.
No. 19 is before 20, so what number comes before 30?
49.
We talked about that one does not come before 30. The 40s are after the 30s.
Oh, yeah. 29.
How'd you get 29?
Because the 20s come after the 30s.
The 20s come
Before.
the 30s, so it's 29.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What number comes before 40?
93.
How did you get 93?
Because, the 30s come before the 40s.
But you told me 93. Do the 90s come before the 40s?
I meant, 39.
Why did you mean 39?
Because the 30s come before the, 40s.
Okay, what number comes before? Oh, dear. 50. What number comes before 50?
49.
What number comes before 60?
59.
What number comes before 70?
69.
What number comes before 80?
79. It's like these ones are the guards.
Like the guards. What are they
Yeah.
guarding?
They're guarding the queens. Yeah.
It's an interesting way to look at it. I think I have 90 for some reason. Oh, no.
I'm tired.
Me too. Okay, can you sit up, please, though? We have a lot of learning to do. Okay, sorry about that. What number comes before 90?
89.
And what number comes before 100?
98. 99.
99? I was too quick, wasn't I? Do you notice anything about all of these?
They're kind of in order because it goes, because it's kind of in order, like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, to 100.
Okay, so they're kind of in order. Do you notice anything else?
I don't really know what else.
What do you notice about all of these numbers?
Like this one's standing out for this queen, and this one's standing out for that queen. That one's standing out for,
Do you notice anything about the numbers? What do all of these numbers have that are the same?
like this one has this one has the 19, but there's no 11, but that's okay. And this one goes to that one, that one goes to that one, that one goes to that one.
So these have 4s, is what you're saying? These have 3s?
Yeah, and that one
But
goes to
what
that
what do all of these numbers have? What number is that?
one. 19.
Just this digit right here. What number is that?
Oh, I get it. They're all they're the 90s place. I mean, the 90s family.
They're all the 90s family?
Well, not these ones.
What number is that?
90.
No, it's not 90. What number is just this digit right here?
Oh, 9.
And what is that number right there?
9. Oh, it's
Nine.
in the 9s family.
Do they all have 9s?
No, not all of them.
19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Do they all have 9s?
Yeah,
Yeah, they all have 9s.
except for the...
But then these ones, what happens when the 19 is in the what family?
Um,
Think of the numeral rule. What family is 19 in?
in the tens family.
So we go from the tens family to the,
20s,
and then we go from the 20s family to the,
30s, 30s to the 40s, 40s to the 50s, 50s to the 60s, 60s to the 70s, 70s to the 80s, 90s,
80s to the-
80s to 90, 90s to the 100.
so sometimes when we're counting backwards, you're getting stuck on some of these. Could this maybe help you knowing that it has a 9
Yeah.
and we're leaving a family? So maybe sometimes when you're counting backwards, because there's a lot of patterns with these. Okay. All right. So for this one, you're going to tell me how many purple, how many yellow. Are you ready?
6 purple and wait, can I see it? And 4 yellow.
What do 6 and 4 make?
11.
What is this called when I flash these? What are these?
The tens family.
The tens family. So if they're all filled in, what would it make?
The tens.
It's going to make 10, right? So all of these are going to equal what?
10.
If they're all filled in, right?
Yeah.
So you said 6 and 4. So what do 6 and 4 make?
10.
Okay. How many purple, how many yellow?
4 purple and 3 and 6 yellow.
Okay. What about this one?
8 purple and 2 yellow. 10 purple and 0 yellow. Um, 9 purple and 1 yellow.
Can you tell me what you were doing? That